I think you got it better in underhand with the underhand opposite pinwheel extensions, but also I would recommend you practice the overhand opposite one. I would call the pinwheels with extensions sort of more like bonus moves. The one thing that I will say the butterflies with extensions will help you with is, I think previously we had talked about hybrid flowers where one hand is doing one thing and the other hand is doing something else. I think this will help you with that because this is in a sense, it is a hybrid because they're both different lengths and the center of rotation is different. So when you're doing the small pinwheel, your hand path is, there is no hand path, right? The hand it just goes front to back. But when you're doing the extension, demonstrating with the same arm, you have a much different hand path. So it does help you with getting accustomed to the idea. I mean, if it's easier because it will tangle less, you can try this in together time, same direction. So if this is the opposite direction version, right? One hand is small, one hand is big. This would be the same direction. And so that might help you also and get you accustomed to doing two different things with the hands, right? So this is the other version. And then you can switch between them, right? And now I'm just alternating which hand is going big, but you'll notice there's an acceleration on the one that's doing the extension while the other one is staying slower. And I think the speed change really helps you get accustomed to how you're gonna have to deal with all the things related to hybrids, but in a low risk movement. And I think it's lower risk. I mean, it's not really risky per se, but less likely to tangle in same direction than opposite direction, because with the opposite direction, they cross paths in a way they don't in the same direction.